Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. If you've got the latest generation Ford Bronco with the factory steel modular front bumper, I've got the accessory that you need. And that's Rough Country's bolt-on sport bar. Constructed of 1 7/8" tubing with 11 gauge mounts, a durable black powder coat, and tabs to run LED lights, our sports bar bolts directly to the factory bumper using factory hardware. Now, as a standalone product, the sports bar looks great. But where it really shines is when you add LED lights, pun intended. We've designed it to accommodate 4 of the 6.5-inch round LEDs or 6 of our 3.5s. Installation is quick and simple, again using factory hardware, and both the finish as well as the shape has been designed to perfectly complement this factory modular bumper. So if your Bronco's got the factory modular front bumper and you're looking to add a little adventure to the front end, check out our tubular sport bar. Available today at roughcountry.com.